weigh-in, when they stood next to each other yesterday morning at the weigh-in, staggering the height difference. Well, here we are, main event, fight 18, finale.
What a wild ride, Kunlun fight 67. Thanks
fantastic.
for sitting next to me. Thanks for letting me
My
sit
pleasure.
next to you,
My
man.
pleasure. We're not done yet, buddy.
I know.
We'll be sitting next to each other later on.
Judge.
In the bar.
Judge.
Jesus, don't get ahead of yourself, man.
I do have a nice bathtub in my room.
I don't want it. TMI, too much information. Here we go, round number 1. Super fight.
Okay, Buakaw shaking it off. Nice one.
Shake it off.
Was that the first Taylor Swift reference that we've had all night? Surprised you haven't had a few of those.
My goodness, the height of Marwan.
Taking it to him. He's hitting him. He's hitting him.
Push.
Don't want to clinch there. Yeah, there's that punch off the break that I've been talking about. You can break on your own. They got one of the best refs in the business in there right now.
Yeah, the most senior one, of course.
Yeah, absolutely. I love that guy, man.
They had to have him, I guess, for the main event, too. Marwan is switching stances, too. See if that's tactical reasons.
That's right.
See, that's the beauty of Kunlun. For me, it's strange to see it the first couple of times.
2 minutes left, just 1 minute down. Huge kick, Buakaw got caught.
Watch the way Buakaw uses the center of the ring. He cuts it off. He will rarely come outside of that X circle, around the X, the imaginary circle.
Marwan taking it to him, good on him. I like it.
Power kick by Buakaw, urging his opponent on. So it's youth versus experience here. There's the experience.
And there it is, nice trip.
Power in that kick. He's gotta feel that.
Buakaw chasing him down there.
It's beautiful the way he uses it. His prowess in the ring is simply delightful.
Get close to him, he's going to trip you like that all day long. That's going to be tough. 1 minute left, round 1.
Of course, no elbows in these fights for Kunlun rules, which is one of Buakaw's favorite weapons.
Big knee. Stalking him.
So out of
cutting the ring off, like you said. Sorry about that, Kevin. But I was mentioning it. He's absolutely cutting it off.
Just use it.
Very well.
It's an art. It's an art in itself. Out of the 40 fights that Marwan has had, 7 knockouts.
Stop.
Final 10 seconds of the first round. Nice evasive move there by Buakaw.
Marwan definitely growing here in Kunlun. Doing well. Oh, round 1 in the books.
Yeah, the White Lotus.
Wow.
AKA Buakaw definitely showing his ring experience in that opening fight round.
Yep. Both fighters taking it easy, feeling each other out. Good knee though. Buakaw saw that coming, got that trip. Big kick. Marwan blocked it. Hello.
Hi. Talking to me?
I was talking to you, of course.
Okay, good.
I think she was talking to me.
Who's she, the cat's mother?
I gotta keep telling her, hey, I'm working, you know? Just get the ring, get the car around.
Second round, main event, live from Kunlun Fight 67.
Ready.
That's right.
5.
Mangrove Conference Center, Sanya, China, Teddy Mulvey, alongside Kevin Noon. Shout out to South Hadley, Massachusetts. Anyone in the Kunlun app listening? Bangkok, Thailand. You know we love you. Ooh, big kick there. Oh,
One,
that was a great left. Did he land that kick?
Yeah, very much on the chin.
Yeah, is anyone going to say anything about that?
No, let's just move on.
Okay, that was a great left, though.
Yeah.
Really stunned him.
I mean,
he kicked it down opponent. Great 1-2 kick there, Bo Khao, stalking his opponent again.
we'll wait to watch the replay. Maybe if he wasn't down, there was, Bo Khao's not a dirty fighter, so I
No,
imagine-
not at all. Definitely got caught up. Oh! Oh my God!
Good night. Good night.
Oh my God!
Wow,
KO.
that was devastating.
Left hook KO, main event. Way to cap off an amazing, amazing event, an amazing, amazing night. Kunlun 67, I didn't know we could top it last week. We come back here and we top it. We crown a 66 kg champion.
He's out cold.
Yeah, he's out cold.
Right in front of us right now. He's out cold.
Marwan Tutu still down. Vicious, vicious knockout, head plant.
My goodness.
Looping left right there.
Clean.
Wow,
crisp.
right on the button. Whoa,
He
his
was
eyes.
out.
His eyes, yeah.
Teddy, he was out before he hit the canvas.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. He's all right now. He's waking up. There are the recent and former kings of Thailand there.
Oh,
All right, he's back up. He's back up.
great to see. Great to see that back up, yeah.
Round of applause there.
My goodness, that was a devastating blow. And once again, Bo Khao showing at 35 years of age, he still has
Of course he still has it. He knocks out an up-and-comer. He knocks out one of the best. This kid is gonna be a champion. He is a great up-and-comer in this Kunlun stage. Do not hang your head.
what an insane night we've had here at Kunlun.
Fastest knockout in Kunlun history, I think. And the crowd goes crazy. In our main event super fight, Bo Khao knockout in the second round.
Devastating knockout, Teddy.
Absolutely devastating knockout. I was actually really worried about his health, but he did bounce back, no problem.
Yeah, very good to see. You don't want to see any fighter get badly injured.
No, you definitely don't. What a great champion. What a great night. I don't even think we can get out of here because it's so packed from all these pictures. Everybody just trying to get a piece of Bo Khao. There is his trophy. We crowned a champion. We are in the semifinals of our 70 kg. We've crowned a 66 kg. We got 4 guys left now.
Superbon from Thailand.
Yep.
Kuleba from Ukraine. Denis Buev from Belarus. And Marat Grigorian